Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can enable Twitter or X edit button. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open your X and from here make sure that you are logged into your account. And now from here tap on your profile icon on the top left right here. So after doing that, here you can see the option of premium. Tap on it. And then from here you can see this is the subscription package. So this is the basic package, and under the basic package there is the option of enhanced experience, which gets you the button of edit and write longer posts. So here if you also tap on premium, you can also get the option of enhanced experience, and under it here you can see edit and write longer post. And another option is premium plus, and in the premium plus you can also get the same option, so you can choose which subscription you want to buy. If I go with the basic just like this, here I can simply tap on subscribe and pay. This is the monthly option. If you want the annually, you can tap on it and tap on subscribe and pay. So after doing that, your Apple Pay will be required. So just like this, you can double click on your button and simply pay off the premium of X, and like that you'll be able to buy it. So after buying it, you can now go back and simply get to your profile, tap on your profile, and then from here all of your posts will show, and all you have to do is tap on the three-dot bar and then you'll be able to see the edit button. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.